the simple twist of fate. The clock is ticking and we're running out of time. I know that we're feeling it, nothing else we're dealing with. Let's free ourselves of what's dragging everybody else down. Here we are, another perfect weekend day, nothing standing in our way. Pack your bags, let's leave today. It's your choice if you want to stay. A never-ending holiday, living in harmony. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. What do you say? Let's start today. Peace and love instead of hate. Accept the simple twist of fate. The clock is ticking and we're running out of time. I know that we're feeling it, nothing else we're dealing with. Let's free ourselves of what's dragging everybody else down. The water's fine, come and take a swim with me. No better place to be, just reset your mind, you'll see.